Welcome to my channel. I am Ben, the business analyst expert.
In today's video, we're going to talk about what I believe is the best method to trade cryptocurrency. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to be notified for future videos. Cryptocurrency trading has become very popular these days, mainly because of the great increase of the price of Bitcoin in the last few months. I'm sure you do have friends or family members that have made a few bucks in crypto, and now they feel like they are crypto trading experts. Everyone is an expert when the crypto market is going up, but when there's a crash, all these so-called experts disappear. In this video, we're going to go over 3 ways to trade crypto, and I'll also tell you what I believe is the safest and most effective way. The number 1 way to trade crypto is to buy and hold. With this option, you pretty much pick a coin that you believe will go up in value and hold until it reaches a certain amount. Hold is a simple method. You buy the coins, you put them in your wallet, and then you do nothing. Patience often pays off in the crypto trading, but you have to wait months or even years before you can make a significant return on your investment. This method is good for people that are looking to play the long game. The second method of cryptocurrency trading is day trading. Day trading is buying and selling cryptocurrencies within the same day. With this method, you pretty much buy the coin when it goes down and resell it at a higher price. Cryptocurrency is insanely volatile. In Forex, 2% gains is a blue moon event. In the stock market, 2% gains is a real score. In crypto trading, 2% gains is something that you can see 5 minutes after hitting the buy button. They are almost as common as 2% losses, which can also happen moments after hitting the buy button. There are lots of opportunities to see big gains and losses in crypto. If you can learn to take advantage of the gains, you would be able to make big returns. Day trading is not for investors with no experience. It requires you to have a solid understanding of the fundamentals and technicality of a coin. You need to understand the nature of moods of the crypto market. The third method of cryptocurrencies trading is bot trading. Crypto trading bots are computer programs that create and submit buy and sell orders to exchange based on the rules of a predefined trading strategy. It's pretty much letting artificial intelligence trade on your behalf. I believe this is one of the safest and most effective ways to trade crypto. This method is the safest because the bot takes very little risk. The bot automatically buys the coin at the dip and resells right away when the value of the coin goes up. The profit per trade is minimal, usually less than $1 per trade, but this method minimizes the trader's risks and limits their losses across exchanges. This method is effective because even though the profit per trade is insignificant, the bot can make hundreds of these trades throughout the day, and you can easily find yourself making $100 to $200 on a daily basis. This can be a totally passive source of income. All you have to do is set up the automation and let it run. The bots can make money for you 24 hours a day, whether you're sleeping, biking, or doing your daily activities. I recommend you check out our previous video where we go over 5 of the best crypto bots available on the market at the moment. I also placed a link of that video in the description below. But before you pick a crypto bot, you need to have the right strategy in place. You need to know which coins pair to trade. You also need to know how to set up the automation. That is why I recommend you join the program created by Dan Hollings, which is one of the best programs for beginners looking to get into crypto trading. I placed a link to the program in the description below. Dan Hollings is one of the most reputable authority in the crypto space. This is not his first rodeo when it comes to automation. He has created multiple Amazon automations in the past and has sold over $300 million on the Amazon platform. He has perfected the CryptoBot formula through 10,000 plus automations and over $5 million of investments over the last 3 years. He has simplified the entire process of buying and selling Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrency digital assets to make it more accessible for everyone. Some of the most reputable entrepreneurs in the digital space, such as Bob Proctor, Mike Dillard, and more, have been using and recommended Dan's method. With so many scams and bad actors in the industry, it's refreshing to see someone take such an honest approach to building their product. So guys, if you're looking to get into crypto trading, I recommend you join Dan Hollings' program. You'll find the link of the program below this video. Give us a thumbs up and show your support in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep smiling.
Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and don't forget to click the notification button. I hope you guys learned and enjoyed this video. Thank you, and have a great day.